Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing another wig review for UNice Hair. This time we have a V-part wig with a little color. I'm just showing you guys everything that they sent over in a package. This is the black to chestnut brown ombre yaki wig. So it's a yaki texture, but it's a V-part. I'm just showing you guys what the V-part section looks like. This is the construction of the wig. You get 2 clips on the side. You get I think it's like 4 clips around the V part. You get a clip in the back, you get an adjustable band, and then the star of the show is this part right here, which is the drawstring. The drawstring is nice because you can adjust it to your head size, so your V part will never be too big or too small. First you pull down this bigger black piece, and then you see that little bitty black piece right there. You pull that down afterward, and that pretty much locks it in place. So then it'll be whatever size you want it to be, and it's not going to move at all, and it'll fit nice and snug on your head. So I'm starting by cutting off the little straps that they had connecting the V part, and then I'm going to make my adjustable band a little bit tighter. This is my leave out. What I have my sides out, and then I have my middle part out because I want to be able to pull it up, which you guys will see. I'll show you how I style it. You can definitely style this wig different ways. I'll show you guys at the end. So the 2 clips on the side, I'm putting those in. And by the way, this is a very comfortable V-part wig. Usually with V-part wigs, my head is very sensitive. I was able to wear this the whole day without any pain. Yes, so those clips are not painful, which is a first. So I love that, So I'm putting the 2 clips, the 4 clips that was around the V, the 2 clips on the side, clip in the back. I pretty much used all of the clips because I wanted to just make sure it was nice and sturdy. Now we are at the back. I'm doing the drawstring. I'm fitting it to my head, and then I'm going to pull that little black piece up, and guess what? It's not going to go anywhere. As you can see, it is tight, it is snug to my head. It fits, so I don't have to worry about anything. And as y'all see, the pull test, look, it don't even move. It don't move. Okay, now I'm going to work with my leave out, and I'm just going to flat iron that part. As you can see, my hair blends really nicely with this yaki texture, and I have very minimal leave out. You can definitely do minimal leave out with this style, and it just looks really nice. Now I'm cutting a couple layers in the hair, framing my face, and adding a couple layers because I am going to curl it a little later. So I want my curls to be popping. Okay, so now we're going to straighten the hair all over because I do want you guys to see what it looks like once it's straightened. I mean, of course it's already straight, but I just want to make it like bone straight. So I'm just starting in sections, starting from the back and working my way up to the top. So this is what the hair looks like when it is straight. Look at the ombre, it just goes so well with my hair. And then look at like the texture of my hair and the wig, it is seamless. So that's why I love yaki texture. It just really blends in so nicely, especially like look at that side. After I brushed it, it just looks super perfect. This is what the back looks like. The ombre color is done so nicely. It just like, it's the perfect blend, definitely the perfect blend. I was just showing you guys how far it goes on me. And now I am going to curl the hair. By the way, this hair can take 420 to 450 Fahrenheit, so it can take high temperatures, and I always turn my flat iron and my curling iron up to the max always. So I'm just going to curl it just to show you guys how well the hair curls. Okay, y'all, so I am almost all done curling this side. Look at the difference. Yes, yes. And now I'm about to curl the other side. Everything is all curled, and this is what it looks like. You see, it's I just created a totally different hairstyle just from curling it. Super duper cute. I definitely just switched up my look real quick. So I'm just finger combing it out. It depends on how curly you want it to be. If you're gonna comb it out or brush it out or just keep it how it is, definitely up to you. So that's what it looks like. Y'all know I like a effortless curl, so I don't like for my curls to be super duper tight, but it definitely curls nicely. And then this is what my hair looks like at the roots and everything, and I want to show you how flat the V part area was, and look how seamless it is. So you definitely do not need much leave out, because it's not like your track's gonna show or nothing. So I love that. And now I'm just going to show you guys how to do like an updo. So I'm doing half up, half down. I was thinking about doing the bangs, but I was like, nah. So I didn't want to do the bangs. So I'm just pulling it all up, and then I'm gonna do my baby hairs a little bit. Okay, so the half up, half down style is so cute. And by the way, I love the texture of this hair, the luster. It is super pretty, and it just matches mine so perfectly. Like, look at this. Okay, I'm creating looks. Super duper cute. Like, all of the looks were given, definitely. And now look, y'all, when I take this out, I can do a flip over method. So you can even do like a flip over method. This is giving like effortless, that girl. So I definitely recommend this V part. It's so versatile. I love the drawstring. The hair is gorgeous. Everything about it, definitely recommend. If you like this wig or any other wig from UNice Hair, I would definitely have all links down below in the description. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.